Welcome to EyeQue, and congratulations on your new personal vision tracker. In the box, you'll find your personal vision tracker device in its storage case, along with an elastic band, product manual, and your unique serial activation number located in the device. Non-testing eye open, relaxed, and focused on an object at least 6 feet away. Now, use the plus and minus buttons on your phone screen below your device to overlap the red and green lines to form one solid yellow line. Once you're satisfied that the lines are overlapped into one solid yellow line, move the device away from your eye and select Next on the screen below the device. Rotate the eyepiece to position 2. When in position, you'll feel a soft click. You should then see R2 while looking through the device, along with the red and green lines now at a tilted angle. Repeat the exercise and overlap the lines to form one solid yellow line. Once you repeat this exercise for a total of 9 angles of your right eye, you'll be prompted to switch to your left eye. Reset to position 1 and continue taking your left eye measurements the same way you did for your right eye until all 9 measurements are completed. Once both eyes are tested, you can choose to save or discard your test results. After you've taken 3 full tests, your personal vision tracker will generate your first set of eyeglass numbers. With your eyeglass numbers, you can track your vision over time, share your results with an eye care professional, and order glasses online. Congratulations, you're ready to get started. Thank you for choosing EyeQue Personal Vision Tracker. Happy vision testing!